Most people dislike wireless earbuds with rubber ear tips because they don't like the feeling of something being plugged inside their ear canals, which is why a lot of companies started making semi-in-earbuds, earbuds that just hang in your ears and can be worn for hours. If you're that type of person and you clicked on this video, then this review is for you. So go ahead and pull up a chair because I'm going to go over all of the features of the Air 4 by SoundPeats. Also, thank you, SoundPeats, for sending these out to me for my honest opinion. SoundPeats in no way paid me for what I'm about to say, nor do they have any creative control of this video's contents, because I got a lot of choice crosswords to say about these earbuds. And I'm going to start out by talking about the sound quality. The Air 4, they come equipped with a 13mm dynamic driver inside to help with the overall sound, which by default is very warm, very dark sounding. You're getting a copious amount of bass, although the Air 4 hangs in your ears. The mid-range registers, but with so many only with certain songs. Lastly, the treble is boosted more than usual because the overall sound, to me, it's I guess you could say it's V-shaped, it's warm, it's got a lot of bass to it. And that's to compensate for these earbuds not having any type of seal. See, when you have earbuds with a silicone tip and it plugs in your ears, that helps with the bass response. But since these don't have that, these were tuned to have a lot of bass. So imagine it being very mid-bassy. Another addition with the Air 4 is Snapdragon Sound. Now, this is a Bluetooth codec created by Qualcomm and is capable of delivering studio quality 24-bit 96 kilohertz audio. This translates into a richer, more detailed listening experience, allowing you to hear the subtle nuances in your music. Now, I'll repeat that again. This translates into a richer, more detailed listening experience, allowing you to hear the subtle nuances in your music on some earbuds without any silicone tips. Snapdragon Sound also offers excellent audio quality and a seamless listening experience. So there'll be no call cutouts, there'll be no dropouts or anything like that. Now, why SoundPeats decided to put that type of technology on some earbuds that look like this is beyond, I have no idea. Ones that just hang in your ears. Now, if they put these on the Air 4 Pro, the Capsule 3 Pro, the Engine 4 that I reviewed, that would make more sense. Snapdragon Sound on earbuds that just hang in your ears, that's just a wasted opportunity if you ask me. I'm going to give the sound quality on these a 3 out of 5. Speaking of wasted opportunities, the Air 4 also has ANC. Now, this is hybrid ANC. It theoretically is supposed to reduce 45 dB of ambient noise. I tested out the ANC while I was out running errands, and surprise, it's a waste. There's no seal. In order for ANC to work properly, in order for it to block out your environment, you need that seal. These don't have a seal. They just hang in your ears. Moving on to the battery life, the Air 4 will last you under 7 hours on a single charge and 26 hours with a charging case. In my testing, the battery was around 4 hours and 51 minutes on a single charge, and that was with ANC on. Also, the charging case provides an additional 3 full recharges, which is a really tiny case to have that much battery in it. If you want to extend your battery life, I suggest you keep the ANC turned off. It ain't like it's going to do anything unless you got like gerbil ears. So I'm going to give the battery on this a 4 out of 5. So, too long you didn't watch the video, just buy the Air 4 Lite instead. They're cheaper. They have pretty much the same feature set. They have the same design, although the Air 4 Lite has LDAC instead of Snapdragon Sound. Again, I don't know why they putting this stuff on these earbuds when they just hang in your ears. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like, comment, share. I read all the comments, but don't go nowhere because I'm about to do a mic test in a quiet and a loud environment to let you determine whether or not the microphones on these are any good. This is a mic test of the SoundPeats Air4 True Wireless Earbuds in a quiet room, no background noise playing. And this is the Air4 with background noise playing. I'm filming this mic test through the Filmic Pro app and using some background noise music. As always, you be the judge of the quality of the microphones on these earbuds. Enjoy your life, enjoy your sound. I'll see you in the next video.